integer we are going to study. So we are going to study the N.C.E.R.T book class 7 chapter 1 integer. Okay. So we are going to see the exercise 1 of the chapter 1 integer. What is first question? Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places in a particular day. Okay. So this is our first question, and first question's A number is observe the number line and write the temperature on the of the place marked on it. So now we will write here solve, and now we will write the answer. So what we have to do, we have to make one line. So friends, now we are going to solve. First we will write the places here. First we will write places here. Then we will write temperature. Then places first is N.C.E.R.T. Then we will write here Srinagar. Good. Then we will write here Shimla. Then we will write here Ooty. Okay. Then what we will write here? Bangalore. Okay. Then what we have to write here? Then we will write here temperatures. Okay. So what is temperature of N.C.E.R.T? It is -8 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Srinagar -2 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Ooty is 12 degrees Celsius. Now Bangalore what is? It is 22 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we have done the first question's A number. Now we will show you the B number question. So friends, now we are going to see our B number question. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? Okay, so here which is the hottest place here? Bangalore. Which is the coldest place here? N.C.E.R.T. Okay, so what we have to write? Temperature of hottest place. Then what we have to write? Then we have to write minus because it is really a difference. Okay. Then temperature of this coldest place. Okay. So which is our hottest place here? Bangalore. So we will write here Bangalore. Then what we will write here? Difference. Okay, difference is there. So what is temperature of Bangalore? It is 22 degrees Celsius. Okay, 22 degree Celsius. And what is the temperature of this coldest place? It is -8 degrees Celsius. So now N.C.E.R.T. we will write. Okay. So this is difference. Now what we will write here? We will put here arrow. Then we will put here arrow. Then what we write? 22 degrees Celsius we will write. Then -8 degrees Celsius. Okay. So you know minus becomes plus. Okay. So 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius. So what is 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius is 30 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above. And now we are going to see first number question, C number. What is the temperature difference between N.C.E.R.T and Srinagar? Okay, what is the temperature between N.C.E.R.T and Srinagar? So Srinagar is firstly what we will write? Solve. Okay, so what we will write first? First we will write temperature of Srinagar. What we will write? Temperature of Srinagar. Then here is difference given, so we will write here, put minus sign. Then N.C.E.R.T is temperature of N.C.E.R.T. Okay, this is. So what we have to write? Difference. So what we will write? The value of Srinagar's temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. Okay. So it is minus. So we write here minus, and temperature of N.C.E.R.T is -10 degrees Celsius. It is over. We will put here arrow. And what we will write now? -2 degrees Celsius minus becomes plus. 2 degrees Celsius minus becomes plus 10 degrees Celsius. We put one arrow sign. Then it is 8 degrees Celsius. So our answer of difference between the Laulaspati and Srinagar is 8 degrees Celsius. So friends, here is not 10, it is 8. So we write here 8, and it is also 8 here. So we write 8. And what is our answer will come? It will come 6 degrees Celsius. So this is the answer of the C number question. So friends, now we will do the D number question. Can we say that the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together less than the temperature of Shimla? Okay. Is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? So we will write here solve. Now we will do the question. Okay. So what is, can we say the temperature of Shimla and Srinagar taken together? So firstly we have to take the temperature of Shimla and Srinagar. Okay. So what we will write? Temperature of Srinagar plus, together means plus sign. So we write here plus temperature of Shimla. Okay. So our first step is over. Now we write our second step. What is temperature of Srinagar and Shimla? So we have to write the value of Srinagar and Shimla's temperature. Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. Okay, 2 degrees Celsius. Then together, which means plus sign, then we have to put here plus sign. Temperature of Shimla is also in the plus sign, 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, this second step is over. Now we have to write third step. Is equals to sign. Then 5 minus 2 becomes 3. So we write here 3 degrees Celsius. So the taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla. So Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius and it is 3 degrees Celsius. Okay, the temperature is 3 degrees Celsius. Now we will solve the next step. What is our question? It is taken together is less than temperature of Shimla. So we write here yes. We will write here yes. Then we will write comma. It is asking one more question. So we have to put one comma. Is it also less than the temperature of Shimla? We will write here no. Okay. So let's move to our second question. So friends, now we are going to see our second number question of exercise 1.1. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. Okay, correct answer is given positive marks and negative answer given negative marks. So marks are given for incorrect answer. If Jack scores 5 successive rounds, but 25 minus 5 minus 10, 15 and 10. What was total and added? So we will write here solve. Then we will write total at the end. What is asking, that we have to only write total at the end. Okay. So what is our question? What is the rounds? Successive rounds. 5 successive rounds is 25 minus 5. So we have to put bracket and we have to put plus sign. Then plus. Then minus 10. Then bracket. Then plus 15. Then plus 10. It is around 5 successive rounds. Then write is equals to sign. Then what we have round? We have to take the positive side one side and the negative side one side. So what we write? We will put one curly bracket. Then we will put small bracket. Then we write 25 plus 15 plus 10. 25 plus 15 plus 10. We have written this first. Now we will put our close bracket. Then we will put our curly bracket. Then we will write here plus sign. Then put here curly bracket. Then it is minus sign. So we write curly bracket. Then minus 5. Then bracket close. Then we have to write here plus sign. Okay. Then what we write? Minus 10 degree. Minus 10. These are the 5 successive. Then what we have to solve? Then we will solve first this positive sign. Then we will solve this negative sign. So 25 plus 15 plus 10 is what? 25 plus 15 what is? It is 40. Then 40 plus 10 it is 50. This 50 came. Then what? We will put here plus sign. This bracket will open when this bracket small bracket will open. Then 5. Then minus plus minus then 10 degrees Celsius. Then right here curly bracket. Then we will write 50 plus. If we will open this 15 plus 10 it is what? 15 plus 10 it will minus 15. Then we put a curly bracket. Then if we will open this bracket also, so what our answer will be? 50 plus minus becomes minus, then 15, then if we put equals to sign, 50 minus 15 becomes 35. So what we will write here? Total at the end. Total at the end is equals to what? 35. Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius at Monday. Okay, it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. On Wednesday, it rose 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, what was temperature on this day? So what we have write? We will write here solve. Okay, so what will our statement? Temperature at Monday. We will write temperature at Monday. Monday we will write. Okay. And now we will write it is dropped down. So we write dropped temperature on Tuesday. At Tuesday we will write Tuesday. Okay. Then what will we do? So temperature at Monday was minus 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, minus 5 degrees Celsius. Then what we write? It dropped down, so it will be also minus 2 degrees. Sorry, it will be minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now we will write here one arrow. Now we will solve. Now it's dropped down on Wednesday. It was asked now. So we will write here minus. We will write here 2. Then we will write here. Sorry, first we will write this minus 5 degrees Celsius. We will write. Then it also becomes minus now. Minus. Then it will be 2 degrees Celsius. So it also comes. So it minus 5 degrees Celsius. Then minus plus becomes minus 2 degrees Celsius. Then we write arrow. Then minus minus becomes plus minus 7 degrees Celsius. Okay, minus 7 degrees Celsius. Then we will solve at Tuesday also. So friends, now we will see our third ever question. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degree at Monday. We have done. So now we will write rise temperature. What do we write? Rise temperature. We will write here rise temperature at what? We have taken out of Tuesday. Now we will write here Wednesday. Okay. Wednesday. Now what? 4 degrees Celsius is thrown up, and we have taken out the temperature. So it temperature of Srinagar, you write. It is minus 7 degrees Celsius. We have taken out to this. Now we write here equals sign. Now we will write here minus 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius. We have done. Now we write here equals to, then we write here minus, then put 7 minus 4 is equals to 3 degrees Celsius. Okay. Why I have done this? But you are thinking why we have written this statement. We have taken the minus common. Okay. See why? Because if you will do the multiplication, I am not doing solving. If you will do this minus at inside into, so minus become minus 7 degrees Celsius, then minus become 4 degrees Celsius. We got this. So it is easy to solve. So we will write this. So 7 minus 4 becomes 3. 7 minus 4 becomes 3. So then if we will multiply with the 3, it becomes minus 3 degrees Celsius. This is the answer. What you have to write at last, minus 3 degrees Celsius was the temperature on Thursday. Friends, now we'll see our fourth number question. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters at 5,000 meters above the sea level. At the particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1,002 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? So what we will write here? Solve. Then we will write here vertical distance. What do we write? Vertical distance between them. Okay. So it is asking distance. So it is 5,000 meter above. So we write here 5,000 meter above. Then we will put here a minus sign. Okay, because it's asking a difference. Difference we will ask. Now distance means up to down. It is difference. It is minus 1,200 meter. Then when we will open the bracket, then 5,000 meter minus 1 becomes plus 1,200 meter. when this 5,000 and 1,200 will add, it will come 6,200 meter. So distance, vertical distance between them is 6,200 meter. So our fifth number question is, Mohan deposit rupees 2,000 in the bank's account, rupees 1,642 from the next day. If withdrawal of account from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposit? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. So what we have to write? First we will write Mohan deposits. First we write Mohan deposits. Okay, so Mohan deposits. How much rupees? 2,000 deposits. Then balance in Mohan's account. Okay. Then what do we write? It is rupees 2,000. So we write rupees 2,000. Then minus 1,642 rupees. Okay. Then what we will have to do? We have to do subtraction here. Okay. Then if it will be subtracted by this, what your answer will come? See, you will subtract this type. Okay. 10 divided by 2 is 8. 9 minus 4 is 5. Then 9 minus 6 is 3. Then 1 cancel. Okay. So what is our answer? Came rupees 358 is the left amount in the Mohan's account. Friends, our sixth question is, Rita goes 20 km towards east from point A to the point B. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. She moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance toward east is represented by positive integer, then how will you represent distance traveled towards west? By how much integer will you represent the final position from A? So what we have to do? We will write solve here. We will write solve, and it is asked that east we have represented by positive, so west we will represent by negative. So the distance of what? West is equal to minus 30 km we will write, because here is positive. So final position to A we will write, then final position to A. Okay. So what is final position to A? We will write a minus 30 kilometer. Then minus 30 kilometer. Then the east is at plus 20 kilometer. We will write 20 kilometer. Okay. Then if we will write here, we will take minus common. Then we will do 30 minus 20 kilometer. We will write here. Okay. Then why have done here? If minus will multiply at this value 30 and minus, it will become this only. So it is easy to solve. Okay. Then 30 minus 20 is 10. So minus sign, it is minus 10 kilometer. What is the final position to A is minus 10 kilometer. So friends, now we'll see our seventh number question. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. Okay, so here space is come, so I have not made the two magic columns, but this is our first number magic square. Now I will write this question, and now I will show row, column and diagonal sum. So friends, we are knowing that there are three types in the this magic square. What is first? First is row. What is first? First it is row. Second it is our column, and the third it is our diagonal. Okay. Okay. These are three types are there in a magic square. So what we have to do? Firstly, we will take out the sum of this row. Means this is the row. This one straight line is the row. Okay. And now then we will take out the column, which means this is our column. Okay. And diagonal means this. This is our diagonal. This is our diagonal. Okay. In this we will find out the sum. So friends, now we'll firstly find out our row. Okay, what we'll find out? We will write here solve, and now we'll find here row. Okay, row. So we will see there are 3 rows. One row is this. This is our first number row. This 5 minus 2 7 is our second number row. This 0 3 minus 3 is our third number row. Okay. So there are 3 types of row. Now we are finding out we will write a first row. Okay, first row. So 5 minus 1 and 5 minus 1 minus 1. So what we will write? Firstly we will write 5. Here is minus, we will write here minus 1. It is minus 4, so we will write minus 4. Okay. This is here. So now what we will write? We will write here. And now 5 minus 1 and minus 4. Okay. So what we will do? We will firstly add this minus sign first. Okay. Because minus we will plus. This minus become plus. So 5 minus plus. Greater number sign we have to write minus, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So minus. 5 minus 5 becomes 0. So what we will write here? We will write here the first row's addition is 0. Okay. The first row's addition is 0. Now we will find out our second row. Okay. So what is our second row? 5 minus 2 and 7. Okay. So what we will write? Here we will write 5 plus 2 minus 5 plus 7 minus 2. You are thinking why I have write this minus sign before after, because this minus sign is between. So we will add firstly the variable, then we will add this side. Okay. So what we will do now? We will firstly do this subtraction first. Okay. We can do addition also first, but firstly we will do the subtraction. 7 minus 2 becomes 0. 7 minus 2 becomes 5. Then plus sign. Then no, sorry. So friends, we have not written here minus. By mistake our minus has been cut. So write here minus. And now what we will write here row number second. We have found out the row number first. Now we will write here row number second. Okay, row number second. Okay. So what will be here? Here will be minus 5 minus 2 and then plus 7. So when we will add this minus and minus, so it will come minus 7 and plus 7. So this minus plus is being cutted. So what will our answer come? Our answer will come 0. Okay, 0. So here is not space. So I will write here row number second, row number third. We have found out this row number second. So what is the answer of row number second also? 0. 0 came. So now we will find out the row number third. Okay. So let's see. Row number third. Okay, good. So what is our row number third? Third. So what is our row number third? Our row number third, what is here is first 0. Okay. So we write here for 0. Then here is no sign, which means it is a plus sign. And here is minus sign here, and so we will write here minus sign. Okay. So now, if we will add 0 plus 3, it's also 0. So if we will not add this plus and this minus, when we will cut it, this will cut and this will cut. So 0 plus 0 is also 0. So our row number third addition is also 0. So now we will find out our column. So friends, now we will see our column. So now we are going to see our column. So there are 3 types of column we are knowing. So we will write here our first column, first and second and third columns are there. So we will write here first, second and third column. Okay. So there are 3 types of column. So we will write our first, third column. So we will. Friends, now we will see our we have 3 columns we are having. So first column is 5, minus 5 and 0. So we have written 5. Now we write here minus 5. Okay. We have written is minus 5, and now we write here 0. Okay. So now what we have to do? We will do 5 minus 5 becomes 0, and 0 plus 0 is 0, so we will write here 0. So our first column sum has K. Now we will do our second column. Okay, it's good. So now what we have to do? Minus 1, minus 2 and 3. So firstly we will write here minus 1 we will write, minus 2 we will write, then plus 3 we will write. Okay, it's good. So now what we have to do? Minus become plus, so it will minus 3 and plus 3. So when plus and minus 3 will cancel, it becomes 0. So our first column sum is 0. Second column sum is also 0. Now I will find here third column I will find. Okay, it's good. So now I will find the third column. So our third column, what it is? 4 minus 4, 7 minus 3. So we will minus 4 plus 7 and minus 3. Okay. So now what? Minus and minus. First we will write this minus 4, this minus 3. So when minus become plus, minus 7 plus 7. So plus minus will cancel, it becomes 0. So our third column sum is also 0. Now I will find the diagonal sum. So friends, now we are going to see our diagonal sum. So firstly we will see our first diagonal sum. We will see diagonal sum. I will see. So what is our first diagonal sum? What is our first diagonal sum? We have to see what I have told. Your diagonal. What is your diagonal? Your diagonal is minus 3 minus 2 5. 0 minus 2 minus 4 is your diagonal. Okay, who is doing cross of the row and column? Okay, but you can also know who does cross of the row and column, because it is row your first second row first second column, so it is doing cross of your row and column. Okay, so firstly sum we have to take out. What is sum of diagonal? Minus 3 minus 2 and 5. So what I will do? Minus 3 minus 2 and then plus 5. So if I will add minus 3 and minus 2, it's become minus 5 and plus 5 I will write. And then minus plus, if it is cancelled, so it will come 0. So the diagonal sum. So the diagonal sum, first I will write here, it is diagonal, okay. And its sum is 0. Or if I, 0. And now I will have to find the second diagonal. Okay, so our second diagonal is 0 minus 2 and minus 4. 0 minus 2 minus 4. So 0 plus minus become plus, 0 minus 6. So it is answer is minus 6. So in this, our what is this row is 0 0 0. Column is also our 0 0. So this column row is equal, right? Okay. So this first diagonal is also our 0. So this second diagonal is not our 0. It is answer is minus 6. So this is not a magic square. So friends, it is our second magic square. What is 1 minus 10 0 minus 4 minus 10 minus 2 minus 6 4 and minus 7. So this is our row. This is our row. This is this is our row, this is our column, and this is our diagonal, and this is our diagonal. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to find also this number's magic square. So what we will do, we are going to write what there are, there are 3 rows, 3 columns and 2 diagonals, okay. So firstly we will find our first row sum. So it is row it is 1 minus 10 plus 0, okay. Then what we will write? First minus 10 0. So if I will add the 0 with 1s, 1 only came, minus 10. First 1 and minus 10 will cancel, minus 9 is your answer, okay. So this minus 9 is your answer. So what we will write here? We will write first row sum is minus 9. Okay. So now what we have to do? Second row I have to take out the sum. So second row is what? Minus 4 minus 10 minus 2. Okay. So minus 4 minus 3 minus 2. Minus 4 plus minus 3 is minus 7 minus 2 minus 9. So this is our also equal. It is also minus 9. So means we will equal and minus 9. So second row sum is also our minus 9. So I will find here the third row sum. If I will find out here. What is our third row? Minus 6 minus 6 4 and minus 7. So what I have to do? Minus 6 plus 4 minus 7. This is our question, okay. So what we will do, then minus 6 and minus 4 firstly we will add. So minus 30 plus 4, okay. So if you will subtract this 13 and 4, what is your answer come? Your answer will come minus 9, and this is your greater digit sign, so it is minus, so I will put here minus 9. So there is also minus 9, which means this rows minus 9. Now we take out the column sum. Now we have to take out the sum of our columns. So we write here first column. So first column is sum. What is column? Which means this type column. So friends, now we find our first row sum. What is our column sum? 1 minus 4 and minus 6. So minus 6 minus 4 plus 1. So if we will do this subtraction, minus 6 and minus 4, so it will come minus 10 plus 1 is equals to minus 10 minus plus 1 will subtract. So minus 9 will come. So our first column sum is what? Minus 10. This column is also come. Now I am going to find out the second column sum. Okay. So now what I have to do? It is our second column. So what we will write? Minus 10 minus 3 plus 4. So if I will subtract minus 10 and minus 3, I will do it sum minus 13 plus 4. If I will do now subtraction, minus 13 and plus 4 becomes minus 9. So it is also minus 9. So this is done. Now I will find a third column. Okay, so what is our third column? 0 minus 2 and minus 7. 0 minus 2 minus 7. 0 minus 2 minus 7 is our column. So if I will do it sum, minus 2 and minus 9 will do sum. Minus 9 plus 0, it's minus 9. So its sum is also minus 9. We are going to see our ninth number question. Using the sign greater smaller is equals to in the box, make the statement true. Okay, so now what we have to do, if this is given 8 is equals to 8 box 7, so we can know this is our greater, but here it is given in the integer form, so we don't know, so we have to solve the first number question. So what we have to do, we will write firstly this statement. We can suppose it is RHS and LHS. So firstly we will suppose RHS. Okay. So what is our RHS? Minus 8 plus minus 4. In this greater negative signs, if there is minus 24 and minus 12. So this is your greater number, okay, and this is your small number, because in negative integers there are a bigger number came into smaller number, okay, known as smaller number. So minus 8 plus minus minus, so minus 8 minus 4 is equals to minus 12. Okay, so RHS, now we start here RHS. So what is our LHS? Minus 8 minus minus 4 close bracket. Now minus become plus. So minus 8 minus become plus 4. It is minus 4. So I have told you that in this integer, negative integer, this is smaller and this is greater. So what we have to put? We will put here this is the greater number. So we put here greater sign. Now we are going to solve the second number question. Firstly, we will rub this. Okay. So in this is our second number question. So what is our second number question? We will write as all. This is our RHS, okay. RHS is minus 3 plus 7 is minus 19. Minus 19 it is. Then this, okay. So what? Firstly minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. Okay. Sorry, there is not minus sign. Yes, we have to do minus 3. So firstly we will add this minus and minus. So minus and minus becomes plus. Minus 3 minus 19, we'll do it one corner. So now it will add plus 7. If this minus become add, so minus become add. Minus 3 and minus 19 is it will add. So what will our answer will come? Minus 22 plus 7. If we will do this subtract, what will our answer become? 7 is 14. It's what its answer will come? 15, means minus 15. Minus 15 is our RHS. Now it's our LHS. LHS is 15 minus 8 minus 9. 15 minus 8 minus 9. Okay, good. plus sign. So okay, so now 15 minus, if we will add this, it will come minus 8 minus 9. If it, I want to say this number question, minus become 17 minus 17, and it is 15 minus 2. So you can minus 15 is smaller and minus 2 is greater, so we will write here greater number sign. This is our equal. Now we have to do the third number question. Okay, third number question. Yes, okay. Third number question is 23 minus 41 plus 11. 23 minus 41 plus 11 is equals to 23 plus 11 we can do first. Okay, 23 plus 11 we will do first, then minus 41. 23 3 1 4, 34 minus 41. So if we will do 34 and minus 21, what will our answer come? It will come 7. So it is minus 7. Answer is minus 7. So now we have to do LHS. So our LHS, what is our LHS? You can know LHS is our 23 minus 41 minus 11. 23 minus 41 plus minus 11. What is minus 11? So if we will add 40 minus 41 minus 11, 112, 4 152, 23, and it will if 23 2 is subtracted by 3, what is our answer is coming with 12, 9 3 12, and 5 will 4 4 2 are 2, 29 minus 29. So this is our greater, so we write here greater number sign. It's 23 minus 41 plus 11. Moving to our fourth number question. So what is the fourth number question? 39 plus minus 24 minus 15 is there. Okay, so 39 will be 39 minus 24 minus 15. It will be 39 minus becomes plus 39. 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus 3 39 minus. It will be contained. It will come 0. Plus minus is subtracted. It is coming 0. So now we have to go 36. Plus minus minus 52, minus become plus 36. Okay, now this 36 and 36, first we will add this 36 plus 36 minus 52. 36 6 6 12, 2 1 carry 3 72 minus 52, it is 20. 20 is answer again. So this is our greater and this is our smaller, which means LHS is greater than RHS. Fifth number question, fifth number, first one is RHS. Now, minus 31 plus 79 plus 51. So first we will add this and now we will subtract. So plus 71 plus 51 minus 231 is our RHS. Minus plus becomes plus only. First 10 7 12 13 130 minus 231. Okay. If this minus and this plus minus becomes cancel, plus minus minus, so minus becomes 1, 0 and 1. Minus 101 LHS. Okay. Minus 339 minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. Okay, good. Firstly, we will do this plus 1. 8 plus 9 plus 1 10 0 1 carry. 8 plus 5 13 is 3 4 1 carry. 4 1 was 2 240 minus 399 plus is equals to, if we will subtract this minus 9 5 minus 151. So this is our right sign, so we will put here right. This is greater and this is smaller. Okay friends, so thank you for watching our video. Like our video, subscribe to our channel, and please share it with your friends.